So what are the advantages of transfer learning? As I said, you don't need, for newer domains, huge amounts of data. It consumes much less amount of time, as training is not required for the entire large amounts of new data. It's only for the incremental new data for your domain which is required. It requires less computational power because already a lot of training has been, seeded and serialized and stored in these large pre-trained models. And for your particular model, which is the incremental change to the architecture for your specific domain, specific images, you don't require that large amount of data because you only are talking about incrementally adding one or two layers, a couple of layers for fine tuning over the layers which are already built. At the same time, you get highly efficient models because they already have been trained on huge data. All the perturbations related to large kind of data has been captured and they are already approached in an efficient manner and serialized into the pre-trained models. And lastly, most important thing which has been not written here is almost all the big platforms, whether it is PyTorch or whether TensorFlow, they're constantly being provided with out-of-box models corresponding to some of the large pre-trained models like VGG, Inception, AlexNet, etc. So it's just a question of calling them by the library and then reusing it, like we will see in our code base.